Hey, the first thing we're going to do today is review this Hyper Tough dual power inflator, 6-minute tire inflator. We're going to use it on this 98 ZJ, pumping up these tires, and you can use this with 110 or 12 volt. This will be our second review of a Hyper Tough. The other one was about $30 and only had 12 volt ability. This one was $44 and has 110 and 12 volt ability. So let's unbox it, check it out. Digital display, 120 or 12 volt, auto shut off, built-in LED light, adapters for sport balls, toys, and more. Car tires, bicycle tires, inflatable toys, and sports balls. Okay. Let's get it out, take it out, take a look at it. The wind's picking up. I don't know if we're going to be able to mess with this much or not, wind and rain. It's got a nice little light. You got your inflatable line right there. And you've got your power supply lines in here. Pretty neat little setup, really. Let's see how it goes. See if we can get it up and running. First thing I want to do is pump up this tire and back this Jeep back down in there out of the weather. Now, one of the few things I do not like about this Jeep and never have, this outlet power cigarette lighter, the switch has got to be on for it to be powered. I'm going to be running some powered outlets before long, but anyway, let's crank it up and then we will set it to about 40 pounds, see how long it takes it to pump it up. Then we're going to back that Jeep in the slot there. Okay, it's been on about 30 seconds. It's got 5 pounds of air in it. Got it set at 40 pounds, I think. Well, I said we're going to be pumping these tires up as well. So this will be a pretty good little test for it, as long as the rain doesn't run us off. We're taking the battery, took the battery out of this one and put in here. We had to charge it up overnight. These I'm willing to swap these 98 5.9 rally wheels, or 5 of them. I'd like to get the 96, 97, 98 regular rally wheels instead of the 5.9 rally wheels. There'll be a bunch of parts off of this available. Unless it runs real good, then I may try to sell it. But not likely. I'll probably scavenge parts off of it for this one. Although it's a 98, this one's a 95. There should be a lot of parts that should be the same. I don't know why this thing's set where it is. I want to be able to zoom out, and it's not letting me. We're going to stop it and get it on a different setting. There, that's better. Okay, it's up to 12 pounds of pressure. Yeah, what I'm planning on doing before I try to turn the key and try to crank that, I want to find out if the gas in it's any good. I've got 2 gallons of good gas. If there's good gas in it, I'm going to check the plug, pull a couple plugs, and before I turn the switch, maybe pull the radiator distributor cap. And it's starting to rain more. I don't know that we're going to be able to do much of anything. We may not even be able to finish getting this thing back in, but we'll see. We're at 14 pounds of pressure. Let's turn it off and see I don't know what time we started. We'll just see how it goes. Okay, it's up to 28 pounds. That's enough. It was enough for me to get that jack stand out from under it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and back it in and put that jack stand back under it. And then we'll see about pumping up the tires on this other Jeep. Okay, like I said, I don't know how long it'll take. I'm very happy with it so far though. It's 30 pounds. So we backed it up. We're going to put this jack stand back under the tires, or back under the axle, so that it can't rest down too low on the tire. Get it underneath there. We may tighten up that valve. That tire may have been leaking from the valve.